Hey everyone, today we're checking out the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Special Edition. This phone comes with a premium-looking design, a smooth AMOLED display, Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, a massive 5800 mAh battery, and even stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. What makes this phone interesting is how Xiaomi combines stylish looks with balanced daily performance at a pretty affordable price point. So in this video, let's talk about the design, display, cameras, performance, battery life, and all the important features you need to know about the Redmi Note 15 Special Edition. Starting from the design, the Redmi Note 15 Special Edition looks surprisingly premium. Xiaomi uses a glass front combined with a plastic frame, and you can choose between a plastic back or eco-leather finish depending on the variant. The phone is available in Crimson Reserve Red, Carbon Black, and Frosted White. Personally, the red color looks the most eye-catching and gives a more flagship vibe. For the body itself, the phone is only 7.4 millimeters thick on some variants, while the weight ranges between 178 and 182 grams, so it still feels comfortable in the hand. Xiaomi also added IP66 certification for dust and water resistance, plus MIL STD 810H compliance, which gives extra durability for daily usage. Moving to the display, Xiaomi packs a 6.77-inch AMOLED panel with full HD Plus resolution at 1080 by 2392 pixels. The screen already supports 120 Hz refresh rate, so scrolling and animations feel very smooth. One thing that stands out is the brightness level. The display can reach up to 3200 nits peak brightness, making it much easier to use outdoors under bright sunlight. This panel also supports 68 billion colors and 3840 Hz PWM dimming, which should feel more comfortable for the eyes during long usage at night. For performance, the Redmi Note 15 Special Edition is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process. The processor uses an octa-core setup with Cortex-A78 cores up to 2.4 GHz and Cortex-A55 efficiency cores up to 1.8 GHz. For graphics, it comes with the Adreno 710 GPU. Combined with HyperOS 3 based on Android 15, daily performance feels smooth for social media, multitasking, video streaming, and even gaming. The phone comes with up to 8 GB RAM and up to 256 GB internal storage, plus support for microSD expansion using the shared SIM slot. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the back, the Redmi Note 15 Special Edition uses a 50-megapixel main camera with PDAF autofocus support. For videos, the rear camera can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second, and it also supports gyro EIS stabilization for smoother footage. On the front, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera capable of recording 1080p video at 30 FPS. The selfie results look clear enough for social media, video calls, and daily content creation. For multimedia, Xiaomi includes stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, so watching movies and listening to music feels more immersive. The phone also supports high-res audio, although unfortunately there's no 3.5mm headphone jack this time. Other features include an under-display optical fingerprint scanner, infrared blaster, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and dual SIM support. One of the strongest points of this phone is definitely the battery. Xiaomi packs a large 5800 mAh battery, which should easily last all day for normal usage. Charging is also pretty fast, thanks to 45-watt wired fast charging support. Interestingly, this phone even supports 18-watt reverse wired charging, so it can help charge other devices when needed. So, overall, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Special Edition offers a pretty balanced package. You get a premium design, bright AMOLED display, smooth performance, capable cameras, stereo speakers, and a huge battery in one device. For users looking for a stylish smartphone with solid daily performance and modern features, this one definitely looks interesting. thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.